Good morning, everybody. Myself, Dr. Meenakshi Mangar. The topic that we will discuss today is Ctenophora. Ctenophora is a small phylum of marine animals which are commonly known as sea walnuts or comb jellies. The phylum takes its name from two Greek words, tenos, that is comb, and phoros, bearing, as they possess 8 comb-like plates for locomotion. The general characters of Ctenophora are as follows. These animals are marine, solitary, free swimming. They do not exhibit polymorphism and no attached stages are present. Body is transparent. Symmetry is biradial along an oral aboral axis. External surface with 8 vertical rows of comb plates of fused cilia for locomotion. Hence the name comb jellies. A pair of long, solid retractile tentacles are present. Cell tissue grade of body organization is observed. Body is acoelomate and triploblastic. With an outer epidermis, inner gastrodermis, and middle jelly-like mesoglea with scattered cells and muscle fibers. Digestive system is with mouth, stomodium, complex gastrovascular canals, and 2 aboral anal pores. Nematocysts are absent. Instead, special adhesive and sensory cells called coloblasts are present on tentacles, which help in food capture. Skeletal, circulatory, respiratory, and excretory organs are absent. Nervous system is diffuse. Aboral end bears a sensory organ, the statocyst. All are hermaphrodite, that is monoecious. Gonads develop side by side on digestive canals and develop from endoderm. Development usually includes a characteristic dipid larva. Asexual reproduction and alternation of generation is absent. Regeneration and pedogenesis is commonly observed in this phylum. Phylum Ctenophora contains about 100 known species grouped in two classes, that is class Tentaculata and class Nuda. In Tentaculata, the animals have two long aboral tentacles. In Nuda, ctenophores do not have tentacles. Affinities of Ctenophora with Coelenterata. Resemblances. There are certainly many morphological similarities between Ctenophora and Coelenterata, like as follows. Both are biradially symmetrical. Body parts are arranged along an oral aboral axis. Presence of gelatinous mesoglea. Lack of organ systems. No coelom. Single gastrovascular cavity is present. Diffuse nerve net or plexus. Presence of statocysts. Endodermal origin of gonads. Differences from Coelenterata are as follows. Tentacles are oppositely placed, symmetry bilateral. No polymorphism, no colony formation. Presence of 8 comb plates for locomotion. Mesenchymal muscles are present, no epitheliomuscular fibers. Nematocyst absent. Instead, special sensory cells or coloblasts present on tentacles. Statocyst present aborally, not marginally. Gastrovascular system with anal pores more organized. Development of determinate type. Affinities with platyhelminthes. Ctenophores show certain resemblances with polyclad turbellarians, which are as follows. Dorso-ventrally flattened body, crawling mode of life, ectoderm ciliated, lobed gastrovascular cavities, especially in embryos, gelatinous mesenchyme with muscle fibers and cells. Similar earlier stages of segmentation and gastrulation. On account of these similarities, Ctenoplana and Coeloplana have been considered the missing links between Coelenterata and Platyhelminthes. Their position in animal kingdom. Ctenophores have certain characteristics in common with coelentrates. Ctenophora are believed to have diverged very early from the ancestral Medusoid coelentrate, which was a spherical animal with concentration of cilia along 8 meridional rows, which later developed into comb plates. However, they represent a blind offshoot which gave rise to no higher forms. Ctenophores also present certain advancements over radiata, such as prominence of apical region, musculature derived from mesoderm, presence of gonoducts, and determinate type of cleavage. This implies that Ctenophora are intermediate between radiata and bilateria and have undergone considerable specialization with many striking characteristics of their own. Therefore, it seems quite logical to create Ctenophora as a separate phylum rather than a class or subphylum of phylum Coelenterata. Thank you.